Alright, master designers, get bionic. Tonight's character, this guy is from the future, just like k.f.a. Tonight we're gonna draw Robokapp from Yokai Watch 2. Robokapp is Kappa's robot form. And he's from the future. Even though he doesn't have to he doesn't have to feel frightened about his dish getting dried up, since his plate is always wet. He's also a swimmer. Now we draw the flippers. Now we draw the flippers on his feet. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, play Ocean Man.
Here's Ocean Man by Ween on Amazon Music.
Ocean Man, take me by the hand, lead me to the land that you understand. Ocean Man, the voyage to the corner of the globe is a real trip.
There we go.
Ocean Man, cross the
And done. That's how you draw Robokapp from Yokai Watch 2. Who would have thought that robotic yokai can be more than one? Who would have thought there'd be more than one robotic yokai? I'm so excited to see them all. Hope there's more coming soon. Anyways, if you all have any ideas on what other robotic yokai you want me to draw next, let me know. I'll see you soon. Stegosaurus, see you later.